Hello, this is Jack Mill with Tri-County Inspection Company and the House Whisperer Show. As we start to approach winter, a few weeks ago we talked about gutters, and there's this phenomena called ice damming that can occur, especially after heavy snows. So today I wanted to take a few minutes and talk about it. As to some background, remember when you got those holiday cards and it had that snowy scene with a snowman and had all these icicles hanging off the house in the background? Well, I can absolutely tell you that's not good, okay? Because when you have icicles, that's caused from ice damming. So what is it? When you get a heavy snowfall, well, during the day, the snow is going to melt down towards the gutters, and if your gutters are blocked, what happens then is that at night, the ice literally comes up under the shingles, and then the next day melts into your home. So one of the keys to try to prevent that from occurring is opening up your soffits. Now, in some of our older homes, when they do what we call capping, they do something called retrofitting. So although they appear to be vented, you have to make sure that it is in fact completed. Now, how do we do that? The best way to really do is to look. And that means going into your attic and looking down in the eaves, the bottom part of the roof line, and seeing daylight. Now, if you don't see daylight, you're not venting. The other key, too, is that in today's world, as we're insulating more and more, and we're going to do a video on that later, people tend to stuff the insulation into the soffit because they think they need to keep their attic warm. And bottom line is we're out to keep the attic as cold as possible. So it may require either pulling that insulation back or adding an air baffle. And the air baffle actually sits between the roof deck and the insulation to ensure this airflow from the overhang of the house. So bottom line, check it out now. Keep your gutters clear. Get upstairs, take a look in your attic, and especially now because it's October, it's going to be cooler up there than if you're doing something like this in June or July. Make sure you're fully prepared. If your neighbors are developing icicles, let them know as well, because repairs are going to run into the hundreds of dollars if you have to repaint your ceilings or you get staining on your roof deck. So take the information at heart, check it out now, get prepared for winter because it's around the corner. I'll catch you next time.